What is going on, folks? Long time no see. It has been a while. Things get busy, life gets in the way. Man, everybody has the same spiel, so you guys can understand that. You guys know. Well, currently I'm trying to order my epoxy primer from Eastwood. However, that stuff is a little more expensive than what I had anticipated, so I think, I got to slow my roll a little bit and appropriate the funds. So, what I've been doing today is just piddling. I've got some stuff on this trunk. You can see this rust here that I got to take care of, and obviously if the trunk looks like this, the hinge that mates with it is just as bad, so that needs to be taken care of too. I've got a lot of stuff here that's all this flaking. That's what I've been doing right now, is just peeling all this flaking body sealer out. It's coming off pretty easy if you get the right angle. You can slide the chisel right up through there. So I'm working on that. This little piece that goes below the rear window right here, I got to do some stuff on the inside of it. It's got some rusting. Nothing's gone through yet, but I need to go ahead and address that, take care of it while I have it off. And also I'm scuffing up the trunk area and kind of just taking care of some of the final sanding bits, like underneath the car and on the bottom side of the bumpers and stuff that needs to be done. So I got to put some body filler on this guy here, on this back bumper, get my impact support put back in, and then put it back to the metal bumper there. And I got to put a little filler on my spoiler too still. But after that, I mean, we're ready, and I can pretty much spray probably, I don't know, 85% of the car, almost 90% of the car. I can go ahead and spray and get under epoxy and get it primed and stuff while I'm working on the trunk and the spoiler and the bumper and all that jazz. The hood, I'm going to take off. The doors, I'm going to take off, so I can get the body of the car done with the rest of that stuff and make some good progress, I think. So, but anywho, this is what I'm doing today. Last weekend I went to a car show, Veterans Benefit Show. It was a pretty nice one. So if you guys are interested and want to hang around and see some cool cars and check out some a little bit of footage from that car show, I've got some, and I'll feed that in.
Perfect. Perfect. Fitzgerald Kennedy, do solemnly swear
I, John Fitzgerald Kennedy, do solemnly swear
that you will faithfully execute the office of President of the United States
that I will faithfully execute the office of President of the United States
and will, to the best of your ability,
and will, to the best of my ability,
preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the United States.
preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the United States.
So help you God.
So help me God.